Welcome to French Diaries. In this class, we are going to discuss the verb être. Être. Être means to be verb. Right? In this class, mostly we'll use two words, infinitive, conjugated. What are these two terms? Let's check an example. Go, went, gone. Start, started, started. Right? So this is the infinitive or base forms. And these are the conjugated forms or verb forms. Infinitive form and verb forms. So let's discuss the present form of être, because être can be used as an auxiliary verb also, and it can be used in many idiomatic expressions. So this is one of the important verbs in French. Je suis. Je suis. This is the subject pronoun and this is the verb. Subject pronoun we have already discussed in details in our last video. If you haven't watched that video, I will put the link in my description box. The sequence of the subject pronoun will be same in all the verb conjugation, right? The first one is je suis. Je suis means I am. Tu es. Tu es. Tu es means you are. This is again informal kind of situation, we can use it. Il est, elle est. He is and she is. Nous sommes. Nous sommes, which means we are. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. We call it zet because with the vowels we mostly connect the last word in our pronunciation. So this is s sound and this is a sound. When we combine it, it becomes z. Z. Vous êtes. Right? Vous êtes. This is formal you. You are. Ils sont, elles sont. This is masculine plural and this is or masculine and plural, masculine plus feminine both could be, and this is feminine plural, right? Ils sont, elles sont, which means they are. Let's have a recap. Je suis. Tu es. You can repeat it after me. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. Ils sont. Elles sont. Let's discuss it with the help of examples. Je suis indien. Je suis indien. I'm an Indian. An, but we haven't put anything here because the rule is with any profession or nationality we don't put any article. Je suis indien. Tu es ago. Ago means happy. This means happy. Tu es heureux. You are happy. In case of feminine, it will become agos, right? Il est au cinéma. Il est au cinéma. He is at the movies. When I put O here, O means A plus L, which will become O. Preposition plus article. We'll discuss in the section of articles. L-A-O, cinema. Now this one is L-A, grande. This is feminine here. L-A, grande. She is tall. In case of masculine, it will become grand. Right? On est très fatigué. We call it on est. Right? On est. Très. Très is very. Fatigué. Fatigué is tired. Fatigué. You must have noticed few signs here like this. I put here also. These are called accents. French accent. Right? I'll make separate video on these accents to make my viewers more understand. So, on est très fatigué. Nous sommes en retard. Nous sommes en retard. En retard means late. So we are late. This is vous êtes prêt. Vous êtes prêt. You are ready. Right? Vous êtes prêt. Prêt means ready. Ils sont à la plage. Ils sont à la plage. We have conjugated, or we have combined this a and la plus o. But in case of feminine, we don't combine it. It will remain separate. Ils sont à la plage. Il could be masculine plus feminine, plural. Or it could be masculine, right? Ils sont à la plage. They are at the beach. Plage is beach. And this is a feminine word. Elles sont à Paris. They are in Paris. Elles sont à Paris. Paris is Paris. Right? There are some important notes to be made. Like conjugation. Conjugation we have already done. Like je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Basically, this is one of the irregular verbs. What is irregular? Irregular verbs means which do not follow any pattern. For example, in English, go, went, gone. So there is no pattern. But this start is following ed, ed. This is regular verb, this is irregular verb. Like this, être is also one of the irregular verbs. For example, it do not follow any pattern. I hope it's clear. Second one is identity or profession. So we are using this verb être in case of identity or profession. For example, je suis étudiant. So am I? Je suis étudiant. I am a student. Il est médecin. He is a doctor. Il est médecin. So we are using this être verb in case of identity and profession. Third one is origin or nationality. So we are using être verb in case of nationality also. For example, il est français. He is a French. Je suis indien. Tu es italien. So you can use it in case of nationality also. Then location. So we are using the verb être in case of location also. For example, le stylo est sur la table. The pen is on the table. Where is the pen? On the table. Le stylo est sur la table. Right? Last one is auxiliary verb. So we can use être verb as an auxiliary verb also. This is the example of passé composé, which we will do later on. But here the main motive is to understand être verb. Ils sont arrivés hier. They arrived yesterday. Ils sont arrivés hier. So we have used être verb here also. Right? I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.